Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start safe. Put on gloves and eye protection because battery cleaner can sting and corrode. Once done, make sure the vehicle is off, keys removed, and the area is well ventilated, no sparks. You disconnect the negative terminal first to reduce short risk, then the positive if needed. Now inspect terminals. If heavy white or green buildup exists, use a stiff brush to loosen debris before applying cleaner. This first action sequence prevents sparks, protects your skin, and exposes corrosion for treatment. You apply the battery cleaner evenly, saturating both terminals and the cable clamps so the chemistry can work. Once applied, let it dwell for about 1 to 2 minutes. This softens corrosion. Then, using a non-metal brush or toothbrush, aggressively agitate the contact surfaces, scrub until white powder and green crust break free. Make sure to keep brushes and tools from bridging terminals. After scrubbing, wipe with a clean rag, and if the cleaner instructions allow, briefly rinse with a little water to remove residue. You dry everything thoroughly. Moisture invites future corrosion. Then reinstall clamps. Positive first, negative last, tightening until snug but not over-torqued. Once reassembled, coat terminals with a thin layer of dielectric grease or anti-corrosion spray to slow recurrence. If the vehicle still struggles to start, make sure clamps have solid metal-to-metal contact and test battery voltage with a meter. Low voltage suggests deeper battery failure. For persistent problems, check for parasitic draws or have the battery load tested. This prevents repeat cleaning without solving the real issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.